Good morning everyone. It is currently 8:25 in the morning. We're away to go and get some breakfast and then we're going to come back upstairs, get ready, and we're going to go to pottery painting. That is at 10 o'clock. I am back and we have just finished having our breakfast. So as you would have seen from one of the previous clips as well, we also had a little visitor, a little baby red squirrel. So they were having some of the monkey nuts that we'd left out for them this morning. And they also kept coming up onto the little porch and putting their little front paws in, so it's quite cute. Now that we've had breakfast and said good morning to our little visitor, we are going to get ready for our pottery painting, which is in an hour, but we'll be leaving in about half an hour. Ailey's currently just in the shower and I'm just waiting to get my makeup and done and get changed, so I will see you when we are on our way to pottery. Hi. So we are now on our way to the pottery painting, so we will see you when we're there. So we have arrived. There it is, the pottery studio. We cycled all the way down, we've just got the big bike park, it's pretty empty. We've got another 10 minutes before we're due to go in. So I think we're just gonna wait until about 5 minutes beforehand and then we'll go in. I think we've got until 11:30. Yeah, so we've got an hour and a half to paint them. And once we've finished, we'll just leave them at the pottery studio and then they'll get put in the furnace and blasted and whatever. And then we'll pick them up either the day before we go or the day we go. Once we've finished the pottery, we're going to go to Starbucks, hopefully get a frappuccino or a cold drink, and then I think we're going to head back to the lodge for lunch. And then we've got the electric boats at 2:45? No, 2:45 until 3:15. Yes. And then we've got table tennis booked for 4 o'clock, and then we have bowling booked at 9:15. We have completed our little pottery painting. We are on our way to the Sports Plaza, which is literally right in front of us because breakfast was how long ago? Like 4 hours ago.
Yeah, starving.
So we're starving. So we're gonna go and get a Starbucks. So we'll see you in there. Mission accomplished. We've got our Starbucks. Yes. Ailey is now.
I'm Haley.
Haley, and I am actually. They got my name right.
I know.
So, but yeah, I mean Haley, Ailey, same difference. What did you get?
Listen, I got a cookies and cream frappuccino and then a chocolate chunk cookie.
And I've got a hibiscus iced tea. I was gonna ask for a bit of strawberry in it, but I thought, nah, better not. So we're gonna head back to the lodge now, have some lunch, and then I think we're gonna get changed and go to the electric boats. Dear me, we're out of breath, but we're on our way to the electric boats. And we've just pedalled downhill, uphill. I was probably in the wrong gear on my bike, but never mind. My mum is all the way back there. She's pushing her bike. Dad's not far behind us either. We're all going to go down and then Dad and Daniel are going to split away. So we've got electric boats at 2:45, so that's like 10 minutes away. And then once we've done that, we'll be heading, maybe going back to the lodge depending on what time. I don't think we will, to be honest, probably won't be. So once the electric boats is finished, we'll be heading straight to Sports Plaza because we have table tennis booked at 4 o'clock. And the boats finishes at 3:15, so we can just take our time cycling to the Sports Plaza. And that finishes at 10 to 5, I believe. Yep. So then we will be coming home, having something to eat for supper, and then we've got bowling booked for 8:45. So from now on it's pretty much almost kind of jam-packed. Like we've got like plenty to be doing. One of the electric vans CenterParcs have are incredibly quiet. You'll hardly ever hear them. That's why we're surprised more cyclists haven't been knocked down, because you can hardly hear them. Mum's caught up now, so there she goes. Don't know if we can zoom in on her. There's Mother. They've caught up, so now we're off. So we will see you when we are back.
Or on the electric boat.
Or when we're on the electric boats. So we're now on the electric boats. I am the driver, hence why I've got the joystick.
And she's clipped in.
And I'm clipped in, so if I fall in, then the boat stops. It's so chilled, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's so nice and chilled. Like, the weather is so nice. And it's not as difficult to steer going forwards as it is going backwards. That's one thing I'll say. It's not fun steering backwards. We are now off the electric boat.
We didn't die thanks to Beccah.
My excellent driving on the boat. Now we are on our way into the, I was going to say the sports plaza. We're on our way into the village centre to get an ice cream. We need to get our masks on. Into the village centre to get an ice cream before table tennis at 4, just to cool us down and give us some time to kill. So we just got into Park Market. We got ourselves an ice cream because we're roasting.
Yes.
Well, Mum paid for our ice creams. Mum is standing there going, "You paid for it?" Mum got us ice creams. Mum's got one as well. She's over there. She doesn't like being on camera, but she's there.
Aww.
And we're going to have our ice creams, and then we've got table tennis in half an hour, so we're going to have to give ourselves enough time to eat this and then cycle over to the sports plaza for table tennis. We have just cycled down from the village centre. Oh my god, my hair is doing my head in. We have just parked up our bikes here and we have cycled down from the village centre down to the sports plaza because in about 10-ish minutes we have table tennis booked, and that is up until 20 to 5. And then once we finish that, we're going to go home, potentially order a Hux because there was too many tables, like there wasn't enough space left. And then after that, we have bowling at 8:45 until 10. So we'll see you in the sports plaza when we've got all our equipment for table tennis. So we have arrived at table tennis. We have our bats. We have our ping pong balls. Table number 4. So we have it for half an hour. That ball's waiting for the table. And we've lost one already and we've not even started. So we have the table for half an hour. I've got a funny feeling that I'm going to get beaten because I feel like Ailey's probably better at table tennis than what I am. But then tomorrow we're doing badminton and I'm probably going to kick your ass.
Yeah, so I'll be on stage.
Yeah, and then my brother and my dad will be coming down, so we might have matches against them. But we'll soon find out.
Yeah.
So we will see what happens in the course of the next half hour. So it's been a bit of a minute since I was last on the vlog. I'm currently filming on my phone because my camera is upstairs and I'm not lagging it with me everywhere. So we're just away to leave to go do the bowling, and we're all ready. I've kind of got changed. I've got a different top, but you'll see that later when we're bowling. And I think it's about a 10-minute cycle, if that, there. And we're not due in until 1:45, so we've got plenty of time. We've got about 25 minutes, well, say 20 minutes or so until we start. So we'll see you at bowling. Me and Daniel ran ahead. I say ran ahead. We cycled ahead. We're way ahead of everybody else. They are all down the hill down that way. And we are up at the top, currently waiting for the rest of the 3 of them. We're almost at the bowling centre. Parked our bikes up just back there. And we're currently walking towards, well, past the boathouse, and then we're walking in towards the back of the village centre. Once we get into the bowling centre and get booked in, I think we've got our lane number already because it's all pre-booked. So once we've got our lane number and we're all set up and got our bowling shoes on, we will see you again. So we're now at bowling. We've got to keep these on, so I don't know what the sound is going to be like. But Mama's just done her first one and she's got a strike on her first one, and now it's my turn. So we're going to see how badly I do. We've just ordered our drinks. So Mum is winning on 48, I have 31, Daniel's on 25, my dad's on 24, and Ailey's on 19.
Classic Ailey's losing.
Oh, now Mum's on 49. She's had her shot, now it's my turn. So Ailey won the first one. I'm gonna get the score up. Here we are. Ailey's there. 90. So yeah, Ailey scored 90 points, so she wins. I came 4th. Me and my dad tied on 65. So it was Ailey, then my mum, and then my brother, and then me and my dad tied. So Ailey wins the first game. And Mum has just bowled the next bowl. So we're gonna see who wins the last 20 minutes because I don't think we're gonna get a full game in, but we might. So we're gonna see who wins the next round. Hello from an incredibly tired me. So we've just been bowling and myself and my brother, instead of waiting behind with everyone else, we decided to cycle ahead home, didn't we? We decided to cycle ahead home in front of everyone else because we really needed the toilet, so we've kind of ditched everybody else. We did send my mother a message to say that where we would be, but it's failed to send, so We're just back. I'm incredibly tired. My brother is not tired out whatsoever because he's on his bike every day. Me on the other hand, I haven't been on a bike for about a year and a half. So I'm really tired, and it's mainly uphill from the village centre where we were for the bowling in comparison to where our lodge is. The village centre is like obviously in the centre, and then where we're staying in Meadowview is right up at the top on the right as you look at the map of the village. So it was fairly uphill, and then we had like a small downhill and then round into the cul-de-sac of where our lodge is. So I'm incredibly tired. I am going to go and get changed out of my bowling attire, take my makeup off and get changed into my pyjamas because I have had an incredibly tiresome, stressful, jam-packed activity day. So yeah, I will see you tomorrow with another vlog. Bye guys.